Lewis takes his job as guard cat very seriously. So, as you saw me plant in an earlier video, the garden is doing very well. Let's talk about what has come up. We have yellow onions, cabbages, tomatoes. Now some of these tomatoes came up, all of these tomatoes here that are mixed in with the onions came up volunteer from last year. I'm just letting them grow. We're going to see what happens. The tomatoes that I planted are mixed in with the carrots, and they need to be staked up. So that's going to be my next project, is to stake all the different tomato plants up. We also have purple onions planted right there. We have a ton of yellow squash, and it is just full of squash. Let's see if I can get in there to show you. So all the squash plants are loaded up all the way through here with squash blossoms and little baby squash. So we will have an abundance of squash soon. The carrots, I think, are overcrowded. I've never grown carrots before. I probably need to thin them out, I'm sure. I don't know that I will though. It's my first year to grow them, so I'm gonna kind of just let them do what they're gonna do, and we'll see how that goes. Here's another volunteer tomato. This whole thing is volunteer cucumbers from last year. So I just stuck a trellis over them, and we're gonna see what they do. I've had to pull cucumbers out of the entire garden, volunteer cucumbers. They are really trying to take over the whole garden. So we've got lots of cucumbers. I've got sweet banana peppers. I've got sweet peppers, and I've got jalapeno peppers. Then this tall is sunflowers. I've got volunteer sunflowers that came up from last year, and then a packet of giant sunflowers that I planted. I never dreamed they would all come up, but they did. So I'm just letting them do their thing. This garden is super wild this year. Got more cabbages, tons of sunflowers. And then I planted a package of zinnias. They have not bloomed yet, but they are getting ready to. The first bud is just starting to open. So those will be super pretty soon. Yeah.